Hello class, welcome to AIMS India's live class session. So our subject for today is mathematics and we will be going to discuss the topic numbers. Now let us start with the basic question, what is a number? Numbers are what we use for counting things. What are numbers? Numbers are what we use for counting things like the number of students attending this class. Now look at this image here. There are few students attending this class. With the help of numbers, what we'll find out is the number of students in this particular class. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many students are there in this class? 6. Now 6 is a number which we got by counting the number of students in this class. So numbers help us in counting things. Now let us understand the same with another example. The number of puris you had for breakfast. The number of puris you had for breakfast. See, look at this plate here. We have some puris, right? Some delicious, tasty puris. Let us count the number of puris in this plate. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the number here? 4 puris. What was the number here? 6 students. These are numbers. 4 and 6 are numbers which we got by counting the number of things in the images. Understood? Now in this example, let us count together the number of these yummy cupcakes. What does yummy mean? Yummy means tasty, which are very delicious. Okay, let us count the number of cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many cupcakes are there in this picture? 6 cupcakes. How many? 6 cupcakes. Hope you have understood how to count the number of things. How to count. What do numbers help us? Numbers help us in counting the number of things. Hope you understood how to count the number of things. Let us move forward now. What are natural numbers? What are natural numbers? As we know, we've counted few cupcakes in the last slide, where we started counting the number of cupcakes from 1. We've counted them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did we get? We got 6 cupcakes. And where did we start from? We started from 1. We started counting the cupcakes from 1. So these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are called as counting numbers or natural numbers. As we have started counting from 1, these numbers which start from 1 are called as counting numbers or natural numbers. Look at these numbers on the number line here. They are starting from 1. These numbers are called as again natural numbers or counting numbers. Hope this is clear. The numbers numbers from 1, that is the numbers which we use for counting, are called as counting numbers or natural numbers. Okay. Now how do we count something? How do we count something that was there and is no more? For example, let us look at this picture here. There are 4 puppies playing in the ground. And there 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 puppies playing in the ground. And after some time, there's none. And after some time, there's none. What does none mean here? None means no puppies. No. Can you see any puppies in this image here? No, right? So What happened? Before there were 4 puppies, and after some time there are no puppies here. There are no puppies here. Now how do we show none or nothing? We can't say that we have 1 puppy here. Right? Do we have any puppies here? No, right? So which number is used to show nothing? Which number is used to show nothing? The number we use is 0. We use 0 to show nothing. We use what? We use 0 to show nothing. 0. The counting numbers or natural numbers along with 0. The counting numbers. What are the counting numbers or natural numbers? These numbers start from 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. You remember, right? The counting numbers or natural numbers start from 1. These numbers along with 0. These numbers along with 0. And what do we use 0 for? We use 0 to show nothing. The counting numbers, which are the 1, 2, 3, 4, along with 0 form whole numbers. What? The counting numbers or natural numbers along with 0 form whole numbers. Whole numbers. So what are whole numbers now? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Right? This is 0 and these are the natural numbers. 0 plus natural numbers is equal to what? Whole numbers. We use these digits 0 to 9. What are these digits? 0 to 9. These are whole numbers. Whole numbers are the digits 0 to 9. We use these digits 0 to 9 to form all the other numbers. What do we use these digits for? To form all the other numbers. Using these 10 digits. What are these 10 digits? This 0 to 9. If we count from 0 till 9, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If we count from 0 to 9, we will get 10 digits. So, using these 10 digits, we can form infinite numbers. What numbers? Infinite numbers. What does infinite here mean? Infinite means many, 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 more than many. Like the number of stars in the sky. How many stars do we see in the sky? We see many, many stars which we cannot count. Those are called as infinite numbers. So using only these 10 digits, we can form infinite numbers. So what we have learned here? We've learned here about whole numbers. What are whole numbers? The counting numbers or natural numbers along with 0 form whole numbers. And these whole numbers are used to form infinite numbers. Moving on to the next slide, how to form numbers with digits. We've learned those 10 digits are used to form infinite numbers. 10 digits are used to form infinite numbers. So, these 10 digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Some numbers are formed with only one digit, some with 2 digits and some with many digits. What we are saying here is that some numbers have only one digit, some have 2, some have 3 and some can have more than 3. Let us start with one digit number, the least, one digit numbers. There are 9 types of one digit numbers. How many? There are 9 numbers of one digit. How many numbers do we have? We have 9 numbers of one digit. And what are those 9 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 numbers are what numbers? One digit number. How many digits do they have? Only one. In each number we have only one digit. So they are called as one digit numbers. If you see the first one digit number, what is this? The first one digit number is 1. So it is the smallest one digit number. All one digit numbers start with 1. So it is the smallest one digit number. What is the smallest one digit number? Smallest one digit number is 1. What about the greatest one digit number? The greatest one digit number is 9. Look at here. The last number in these one digit numbers is 9. So this is the greatest one digit number. Again, let us revise. In one digit numbers we have 9 numbers. The smallest one digit number is 1. Greatest one digit number is 9. Clear? Okay. Now let us move to next. What comes after 1? 2. How to form 2-digit numbers. We have learned how to form 1-digit numbers. Now we learn how to form 2-digit numbers. Okay, here we are taking 9. What is 9 again? 9 is the 9. What is 9? 9 is the greatest one digit number. What is 1? 1 is the smallest one digit number. What happens if we add 9 and 1 together? Come on, add and tell me, what is 9 plus 1? Exactly, 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Now see here, how many digits does 10 have? 10 has 2 digits. One is 1 and the other is 0. The number of digits in 10 are 1 and 2. So 10 becomes a 2-digit number. And how many 2-digit numbers do we have? We have 90 2-digit numbers. We have 90 2-digit numbers. What are they? They start from 10. See, this is the 10. We start 2-digit numbers start from 10 and go till 99. Go till where? 99. There are 90 numbers of 2 digits which start from 10 and end at 99. So as the 2-digit numbers are starting from 10, 10 becomes the smallest 2-digit number. 10 becomes what? 10 becomes the smallest 2-digit number. And 2-digit numbers end at 99. Right? 99 is the last 2-digit number, which makes it the greatest 2-digit number as well. Again, let us revise from 1-digit numbers. Let us revise from 1-digit numbers. 1-digit numbers, we had 9 1-digit numbers which started from 1 and ended at 9. 1 is the smallest 1-digit number. 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. Coming to 2-digit numbers, there are 90 numbers of 2 digits. There are 90 numbers of 2 digits starting from 10 and ending at 99. So the smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the largest 2-digit number is 99. If we look at the place values of 2-digit numbers, for let us say 2-digit number 7, let us take this 2-digit number 76. One digit is placed at 10's value and the other is placed at 1's value. We start writing place values from the right side, right? So this is at 1's place and it is at, and 7 is at 10's place. Okay, 2-digit numbers have only 2 place values, which are 1's place and 10's place. Is this clear? We have looked at 1-digit numbers and 2-digit numbers. Now what comes next after 2? Exactly right, 3. We look at 3-digit numbers. But before that, we will form some 2-digit numbers. If someone gives us 2 digits, okay, if someone gives us 2 digits, how many 2-digit numbers can we form? If someone gives us 2 digits, how many 2-digit numbers can we form? We can let those digits be 4 and 9. What are those digits? 4 and 9. What it is saying here, that we can form only 2 different 2-digit numbers. How many 2-digit numbers? Only 2. 2 different 2-digit numbers from these 2 digits. Can you say what will be the 2-digit numbers formed with 4 and 9? Yes, the 2-digit numbers which are formed using these 4 and 9 are 49 and 94. 4 and 9 and 9 and 4. 49 and 94. Just think of this as, 4 is you and 9 is your friend. Okay, 4 is you and 9 is your best friend. Now we have a bench here on which you both have to sit. There are only 2 ways in which you can sit. You can sit in the first place, which is 4, which is you. You can sit in the first place, and 9, who is your best friend, can sit in the second place. Understood? You can sit in the first place and your friend can sit in the second place. Or else your friend can sit in the first place and you can sit in the second place. Clear? So we can form only 2 different numbers from given 2 digits. Now, among these 2 numbers, which is the greater number? 94. The greater number is 94. And which is the smaller number? 49. The greater number is 94 and the smaller number is 49. We formed two 2-digit numbers from these 2 digits, 4 and 9, right? And now let us take 2 other digits which are 7 and 2. Okay. Now the 2 numbers that may be formed are, again, 7 in the first place and 2 in the second place, or 2 in the first place and 7 in the second place. So the 2 numbers that may be formed are 72 and 27. Clear? 72 and 27. Now among these, 72 is the greater number and 27 is the smaller number. Understood? We have formed 2-digit numbers from given 2 digits. Coming to 3, let us move to 3-digit numbers. How to form 3-digit numbers? Again, we are starting from 99. What is 99? 99 is a 2-digit number, and most importantly, it is the greatest 2-digit number. What is this? 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. And what we'll do here? We will add 1 to 99. What are we doing here? We are adding 1 to 99. 99 plus 1 gives us what? Gives us 100. 100. Now look at this 100. How many digits does 100 have? 1, 2, 3. How many digits 100 has? 100 has 3 digits. How did we get 3-digit number? We got this 3-digit number by adding 1. By adding 1. By adding 1 to what? By adding 1 to 99, which is the greatest 2-digit number. Clear? We got this 3-digit number by adding 1 to the greatest 2-digit number. Now, there are 900 numbers of 2 digits. How many numbers? 900. Sorry, no, this is not 2. These are 3. There are 900 numbers of 3 digits. There are 900 numbers of 3 digits which start from 100 and go till 999. What are these? There are 900 3-digit numbers which start from 100 and go till 999. Again, as these 3-digit numbers are starting from 100, what does 100 become? 100 becomes the smallest 2-digit number. What does 100 become? 100 becomes the smallest 2-digit number. And these smallest 3-digit number, I am so sorry, smallest 3-digit number. And what does 999 become? 999 becomes the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, let us revise again. We got this 3-digit number by adding 1 to the greatest 2-digit number. And there are 900 numbers of 3 digits which start from 100 and end at 999, which makes 100 the smallest 3-digit number, which makes 100 the smallest 3-digit number, and 999 the greatest 3-digit number. If we look at the place values of 3-digit numbers, we have a number at ones place, and the other digit is at tens place, and the other digit at hundreds place. So there are 3 place values which are hundreds, tens, and the ones place. Clear? Understood? Okay. We can place what we have learned in the form of this table here. See, we have learnt about 1-digit numbers. What is the smallest 1-digit number? 1. The greatest is 9. When it comes to 2-digit numbers, smallest 2-digit number is 10. Greatest 2-digit number is 99. When it comes to 3-digit numbers, smallest 3-digit number is 100 and greatest 3-digit number is 999. Okay, if you observe, here all the smallest numbers are having 1. See, all the smallest numbers are having 1 and all the greatest numbers are having 9. For greatest number, if it is 1-digit greatest number, you have to write 1 9. Only 1 9. See, you have written only 1 9. When it is 2-digit greatest number, you have to write 2 9s. How many 9s? 2 9s. 9 9 99. When we have to find out the greatest 3-digit number, we have to write 3 9s. 999. In the same way, if I ask you to tell the greatest 4-digit number, it would be 4 9s, which is 9999. Understood? See, for greatest numbers we write 9s. If it is 1-digit greatest number, we write 1 9. If it is 2 digits, we write 2 9s. If it is 3 digits, we write 3 9s. If it is 4 digits, we write 4 9s. And coming to smallest number, 1-digit numbers means how many digits should we have? We should have 1 digit. So we have placed only 1 over there. When it comes to 2-digit number, we should have 2 digits, right? We know that one of the digits is 1. Now what should we write in second digits place? We write 0. In the same way, for 3-digit numbers, we should have 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. Again, we write 1 in the first place. Again, what to do with these 2 digits? We simply place 2 zeros. In the same way, if I ask you to write 6-digit smallest number, what should we do? We should first make blanks for 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and write 1 in the first place. And in the remaining blanks, just place zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 1 lakh. If we read this number as 1 lakh. Understood? For 6 digits, see, there are 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. The first digit is 1 and the remaining digits are 0. In the same way, if I ask you to write greatest 6-digit number, what will you do? You will write as 6 nines. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. You write 6 nines. Simple, isn't it? For smallest numbers, we write 1 and fill in the remaining digits with zeros. For greatest numbers, we write nines. The number of digits is equal to the number of nines. Okay. We've come to the end of today's class. So before ending this class, we'll just revise about what we've learned today. First thing we have learned is that about numbers. What are numbers? Numbers are used for counting things. Numbers are used for counting things. And we've learned about counting numbers, which are also called as natural numbers. Then these natural numbers, when used along with 0, are called as whole numbers. And we've also learned about largest and smallest 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, right? I hope you've listened, liked, remembered, and clearly understood what we have learned today. And before going, please visit our website www.aimstoday.in. Why? Because you find the live class schedules over there. That it's like a timetable for you guys, so that you will know when you will be having a class tomorrow. Okay, and you'll also find recorded versions of